Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to filling the tank of your Audi A1 Sportback. On the right side, there it is, the tank cap. Press the left side of the flap to open it. Unscrew the tank cap anti-clockwise. Good job. Hook the cap onto the open flap. Good job. And now it's time to get some fuel inside the tank. We will use E10 petrol. Use the lever to lock it. When the automatic filler nozzle is operated correctly, it will switch itself off as soon as the tank is full. Do not try to put in more fuel after the nozzle cuts out, as this will fill the expansive chamber in the fuel tank. Now reassemble all parts. Yeah, good job. Rotate clockwise and then push the tank cap back in position. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.